Hello students, I am Anamika and in this video we are going to discuss transpose of a matrix. So what is the transpose of a matrix? If we have a matrix, then what will be the transpose of that matrix? So the transpose of a matrix is created by interchanging its row and its column. So if for example, if we have the matrix A2, A3, suppose 1, 2, 3, and it would be 2, 1, 4, and let us assume it would be 5, 6, 2. So what would be the transpose of this matrix? So what would be the transpose of this matrix? We just interchange the row to column, and what would be it? That is transpose of A. That is, let us assume A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. So A transpose is equal to just interchanging the column to row. That is, here first column is 1 to 5, so it will be the first row, that is 1 to 5. What is the second column? That is 2, 1, 6, so it would be the second row, that is 2, 1, 6. And what is the last column? That is 3, 4, 2, so thus it would be the last row, that is third row, 3, 4, 2. So the transpose is 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4, 2. So it's easy to find the transpose of any matrix. And if a matrix has dimension m into n, its transpose will have dimension n into m. So for example, if we have a matrix where dimension is m into n, that is m row and n column. So the transpose of A will be, that is the dimension of the transpose of this matrix would be n into m. Why? Because we interchange the column to row, that is n row and m column. So here we already took the here 3 row, that is 3. And what will be the column? That is 1, 2, 3. So column would be 3. That is, it is a matrix of 3 into 3 dimension. That is, here m is 3 and n is 3. So what will be the transpose of this matrix? We already find the transpose, and what will be the dimension? That is, we will just put the value of n. That is, here n is 3. And what is m? M is 3. So the dimension of this matrix is 3 into 3. So it's easy to find the dimension and transpose of any matrix, and we will denote it by either A dash or A transpose. So we will just use this formula. Use this formula to solve a question. That is, in the next video we will discuss some question. So it's easy here because the dimension is same, that is here 3, 3, so it's easy. So take some different matrix. So for example, if we take a matrix, that is, for example, A equal to 1, 2, 0, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. So what would be its transpose? Here A is 1, 2, 0, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. What is the first row? This one is the first row. This one is the second row. This one is the first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. So the transpose would be just interchange the rows and columns. That is, what will be the first row? That is first column. That is 1, 2 is the first row. And what would be the second row? That is second column. That is 2, 3. What would be the third row? That is third column, 0, 1. So it would be 0, 1. What will be the fourth row? That is 4, 2. 4, 2. So our transpose is 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4, 2. This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and this is first column and second column. So here you can see that what is the dimension of the matrix A? That is here 2 row, so it would be 2. And how many columns are there? 4. But in A transpose, you can see that how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 4 rows and how many columns? 1, 2. So here dimension are different. That is here M is equal to 2, N is equal to 4. And here M is equal to 4, N is equal to 2. So thus if a matrix has dimension M into N, its transpose will have dimension N into M. So this is an example of this topic. So got it all? So that's all for today. Thank you students. In next class we will discuss orthogonal matrix and after that we will solve some problems. Thank you students.